Economy. Defense outlay witnesses marginal increase. Finance Minister announces steps to boost domestic manufacturing, reduce imports. Budget breakdown. Textile sector allocation to increase 8.1% for FY23, bulk to fund CCI for cotton purchases. Battery swapping policy on anvil. Move to address issue of space constraints in urban areas for charging stations. Emergency credit line for MSMEs extends till March 2023. Budget provides additional credit to more than 130 lakh units. Budget gives MEA fund for Taliban-ruled Afghanistan. It will also dedicate 600 crore for Myanmar. Growth budget. Disinvestment target. Use of drones to push excellence. Importance of housing. Continue from economy. Rural spending slackens. Government has not lost sight of inflation, Sitaraman. No increases in taxes is in itself a relief, Minister says. Green bonds target carbon neutrality to help India achieve net zero by 2017. Budget tosses digital rupee using blockchain technology. It will lead to cheaper currency management system. E-passports to be rolled out soon. Foundation for Digital India 2.0. Continue from economy. 60% hike in healthcare sector allocation. However, 83,000 crore outlay almost equal to last year's actual spend. Zero allocation for emergency response fund. Tweaked distribution. Experts welcome boost to mental health sector, but other essential service ignored. Disappointment budget. Job creation gets fresh impetus. Outlay for Atmanirbhar Bharat Rozgar Yojana doubled to 6,400 crore. Ayush Ministry received 3,050 crore in budget. Fourfold increase in 7 years government. Push for promotion of drones through startups. Special purpose vehicle for Air India's debt gets 9,259 crore allocation slashed for Civil Aviation Ministry. Task force to give direction to animation gaming sectors. It will help improve exposure to global markets, Minister. Best spending mix in 18 years.